Hello guys, Mehul back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna share a really like absolutely 100% genuine free diagram making tool for software developers or architecture developers or architecture makers, whatever you wanna say that. So let's just see the site, okay? So here is Terrastruct, and it's literally legit 100% free. Now you may ask, then what's the catch here? Like, everyone need money to run their app, only like develop app, run app, and obviously feed themselves. So what's the catch here? So basically, they are providing the team section, like developer section, for up to 10 members for free, and you can have unlimited diagrams. And if you want to have unlimited team members, you have to go to the enterprise section, and for that they haven't mentioned the pricing as well at all, but for smaller teams 10 member is okay, to be honest. Now let's directly dive into the app actually, that we're gonna use. So basically you can create shapes from here, create tables. Yeah, we have tables here. Create classes, we have classes here, and create code as well. Okay, all of those are possible. And rather than that, you can create like databases. Like, this is the database sign, so I can create a database sign, and I can actually add an PostgreSQL icon to it, and I will simply just group it with Control G. So all of the basic things work, like basic and I can connect those two as well. Okay, and I can select none as well. Okay, so here is my database connected to a random function that is generating something maybe. So yeah, basically it's easy to use. Okay, and here you can have layers, like you can add new layer as well, so you can build on a top of it, and you can add new scenarios as well. You can upload pictures, use something from template if you have it. I don't have it right now, so you have it, and you can add comments. There's a lot of icons, and there's the search functionality. So yeah, damn cool. And rather than in the board what you have right now, those are all displayed here. Okay, so that's a great thing, I think so. And you can simply invite from here, and you can present your whole structure from this one click button. And that's it for this video actually. And that's how you should, or you can use uh Terrastruct. That's about it about this video. I'm gonna use it, like we need to use it right now because we have some projects that we are working on right now and with my team. And so yeah, we obviously will be needing it. Whatever, that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel and like this video as well. And rather than that, please let me know about some of the cool apps like this so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.